Hello everybody, it's time for another Postbag video. This one's going to be fairly quick, but I didn't want to wait for any other Postbags to combine this one with, because I know what's in this one and I need it for a project that I need to have done by Friday. So we're going to go ahead and open this one real quick and yeah, just have a quick look at what's in this. So I'll just slice that open there. Amazing how many things are still trickling in from orders I made months ago. So, I have this box of Daikuno light-emitting diodes and a pack of AA cell holders. Now, these are actually related because I'll be building a handful of Jewel Thief flashlights for the classes I've been taking, and our final class is on well, this upcoming Friday, which is probably going to be the previous Friday by the time this video goes up. YouTube timetables are weird. I get so confused about what day it is sometimes. Anyway, so I'll be making Jewel Thief flashlights with little transformers that I've hand wound from parts I've scavenged out of CFL bulbs that have blown. But there'll be a video on that upcoming fairly soon. But yeah, so AA cell holders with leads, pack of 10. So that's a good result there. Nothing too fancy. Now this is going to be the cool part. This is the part I'm really excited about. So in this box we have a bunch of different kinds of LEDs made by Daikuno, and we've got red, yellow, white, blue, green, pink, orange, warm white, UV, and chartreuse. So let's whack these in my old JFET LED tester here, which has still been running. This LED has been running for some weeks now. Anyway, let's see the red ones. Alright, positive. Yep, definitely red. Well, I got the water clear LED thing going. But I can yank out a couple of these JFETs. Oh no, right, because that makes it dimmer, not brighter. Dummy. Anyway, so that's the red. Let's see the yellow. Oh, that's true yellow too. That's not yellow with a phosphor. Wow, that's actually fairly bright. I'm going to zoom down here. Focus. That wasn't the focus button, that was the record button. Sorry for the blip there. Actually, what I'll do even additionally, give me just a second here. Impromptu video is impromptu. I'm going to turn my lights down just a bit here so that the LED is a little bit more visible. So, just crank this down a little bit. There we go. So yeah, you'll see that the LED is actually more of an orange than a yellow, but that's what they call a true yellow because it doesn't have any phosphors. Alrighty, and then this will be your standard cold white LED. Yep, definitely cold white, very bluish sort of light there, and that's really bright, even at 1 point, I think it's about 1.6 milliamps that is passing through that. Let's see, this is going to be blue. Wow, that's very blue. That's almost ultraviolet blue. That's interesting. See how it shines on the paper there? It's very almost ultraviolet-y. That's interesting. Alright. These water clear greens tend to be a very, very intense green. Let's see what we've got. Yep. Very, very intense green. A rather pleasant shade there. Alright, let's see. I've not seen a pink LED before. Let's see pink. Pink. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. That's almost purple. I like that color. Huh. I may have to order more of those. This was just a sample pack that this company does to give you an idea of what they produce. Let's see, this is orange, which is definitely a lot more orange than the yellow was orange. Let me just tweak these around a little bit. I'll whack this in. Yeah, you can see the yellow is definitely more yellow than the orange is orange. That made sense. Let's see, what's the next one? The next one is going to be warm white, which I've never seen a warm white in water clear, but that's definitely warm white. A very neutral warm white. That's I like that. I may have to order more of these. I like that flavor. All right, we have ultraviolet. This probably isn't going to show up very well on camera. Oops. Helps if I plug it in the right direction. Okay, that's your standard kind of purpley UV sort of flavor there. Not too bad. And then last is chartreuse. I've never heard of a chartreuse LED before. Along with the pink, that's very long leads on that. Good grief. All right, let's see what chartreuse is. Oh, that's not going to show very well on camera there. Alright, but we're going to bring it up closer here. Oh, it's actually almost better out of focus. Yeah, you can actually see the color of that much better out of focus. Oh, a very interesting flavor of green there. It's not a very bright green, though. Yeah, as opposed to this green, which is, you know, very, very green. That's an interesting thing that the camera's doing there. Well, I'll show you the yellow again, and just hold it up really close with the out of focus lens, because it white balances out, and then you can get a much better feel of what the LED looks like. And I'll do the pink again too, because the pink is not a normal color here. See, that's almost more purpley than it is pink. That's fascinating. But wait, there's more. Just as I was getting ready to start editing this video the following day, I received what is the last package that I need for the projects that I'm working on currently, and that is this odd little pouch. Let's see what's in this pouch. I mean, I know what's in this pouch, but you guys don't know what's in this pouch. So, just slice that open. Good lord. Okay, and we'll continue the digging. Let's see. Wow, this is really... Man, I can't complain about how well packaged it is, that's for sure. Alright. Open up, you. There we go. And what we have... Oh, those are a lot bigger than I thought they would be. But we have a bunch of ferrite cores. These ferrite cores I'll be using for the transformers that I'll be winding for some jewel thieves. Where are my jewel thief? Where's my jewel thief? And that's this little circuit right here, where I'm powering a 3-volt LED off of a dead 1.5 volt cell. This core is much larger than the core I had hoped they were, but they were the only ones I could find on short notice. So, yeah, they're remarkably similar in size to a lifesaver, but they weigh about, they're actually quite heavy. They probably weigh about 5 or 6 lifesavers worth of weight. Anyway, so that's the true ending of this Postbag video. If you haven't already, click here to subscribe. Right over here, I'll have a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting based on your watching habits. Right here will be my Postbag playlist, and right here will be a link to my Patreon, which you can use to help support further Postbag videos and projects. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you whenever I upload next. Bye-bye.